HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hello kids, look at this cute little frog. Let's learn how to draw him. A curved line for his mouth. Big round eyes. Connect both the sides. Now come the arms, the fingers with circles at the end. The leg and toes too. And just like this, let's draw the other arm and leg. Draw the eyes and some spots on his body. Wasn't that super easy? Let's begin coloring. Let's start with the dark green for the eyes. And a light green for the face. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Let's keep going. Neatly color all over the face. Done! Now, let's color both the arms. Legs. This already looks great. Did you know a frog absorbs water through their skin? So they don't have to drink any. And we're nearly done. Fill in the spots with the dark green. And for the bottom of the face too. We can color the rest of his body with a bright neon yellow. What a cute little frog! For the final touches, let's add a neat outline. and a tongue. Woohoo! Here is our friend Mr. Frog. See you next time.